So next question is sheet number 4, this one here, and question number 5, which says draw the following. In draw the following, what we have to create? We have to create a section AA, which is this one over here, and then section elevation and plan. Okay, so this one is plan over here. You can see this is the plan. So in plan it says this one basically C section and another C section over here, and in between there is a I beam. Okay, these are basically two columns, C columns, and then this one is the beam over here, I beam. The dimensions are 200, yani from here to here is 200 and from here to here is 100. So if you see in 3D how it looks like, see over here, it looks like this one over here, that this is a C beam here, C section, and also this is a C. In between there is an I beam. This is, you can see in the plan. Let me open the AutoCAD. And then you can see the C like this one and the I section. So if you see the 3D of this one, it looks like this one over here. See here, this is a 3D. This one is a C section over here, C beam, and this is also C beam, and in between you see this one is called the I. Okay, so now the question is how we create this one and how we make the section. So in the plan you see like this one, C over here, I, and C over here. So how we create? Very simple. First of all, you can create a rectangle of 10 by 20, then another rectangle 100 by 20, because the dimensions over here is written 200 by 100. Okay, so that's why we create this one, and simply you can move this one and you can make this one. You know how to create, just click the rectangle and then we can create, click on the 0 0, and this one you can create 10 comma 200. See this one how we can make this one. So we simply make this one, and we can make another one 100 by 8 and 100 by 8. Move this one towards here or copy. So I can take this one, enter, from the corner I can put on the corner. Again this one, move, or you can make over here. And simply you can make it over here. How? I can show you. So we create a rectangle. So how much is this rectangle? This rectangle is 10 wow 200. Okay, then another rectangle I make it over here from this point. This is 100 wow 8. Okay, then another rectangle I create on the top over here. Same way, rectangle from here, this will be 100 comma minus 8. Okay, so this is done your C section, and here you can remove this one by the trim, enter, remove this one, and we can remove this one. Okay, now I can make this one 1 of 10 raised to 10 100. Okay, and this one plate I can make it over here, or move. I can make outside, then move. Simply this is move command. I can select the object, take from midpoint and put it in the midpoint. Same way I make another one is 250 by 10. This one I can make this one and move from midpoint to midpoint over here. Okay, then I can remove this I here. So trim, click the trim, enter, no need, this one. Okay, so this is ready. Okay, now I can make this one over here. So simply I can do it mirror. I don't need this one, I can remove this one. So I can do mirror. This is mirror command, MI, this one, and I select these objects, this one also, enter, and from midpoint I can do the mirror over here, enter. Okay, then I can trim also this one, trim, no need. So this one how I can create the plan. This is the plan. Now section means basically over here, if you see in the 3D, you are cutting from here. Okay, you are cutting from here. So if you cut from here, what you can see, if you see in the 3D, okay, so for example, if you cut it from here, what you can see this column, this C-beam section, you will see this of the section, and you can see the lines, these lines, down line and up line, and then all the way you can see this one, and at the end you can see this one over here. So if we make this one like here, it will looks like exactly two solid lines like this one, and in between we make the lines, and this is just to make of the lines. Okay, so this one is plan, and when you make this one on the section, so on the section what you need, simply we make a big rectangle like this one. Okay, and then we make the two small lines inside. So in the section we make like rectangle like this one and rectangle like this one, or you can make a big rectangle, inside you make the lines, and here you can put the solid. Okay, the hedge, how we put the hedge, you remember, if you create the, if you have the something like this one, how you put the hedge, click the hedge, and then in the hedge we select the solid and we click inside. So this is how we create the hedge. So this is basically two hedge, and one line over here, one line over here, and offset or the lines in between, and these lines we convert into the broken lines. Same way how we convert the broken lines, for example this line I want to convert into broken, go over here and others, and from here load, this is for example dash lines. Okay, okay, so it will becomes the broken line. Okay, if you cannot see it, just open the line type scale. See, for example, line type scale is 1, so make it for example 10, enter. Okay, then close this one. See, you can see, still you cannot see, open this one again and change the line type, maybe 50. So this is how we can change the line type scale, and finally you can see the broken line. Okay, Shabab?